disassemble a Xbox One S. Let's get to it using my trusty universal tool here. We're going to start with the rear of this casing because it's kind of well closed. We'll start prying from the back. See, this tool here is not very sharp, so it won't damage the case. Pry down gently. These are snap-ons, basically. Oh, good. Okay. The tube really works very well. I use it for a lot of things. Okay. Here we go. All right. See, nothing's broke. No damage. Take that and set that up there. All right. No damage here. Still have all the prongs intact. All right. And so, okay. So next thing we're going to do is to remove those hex screws here, the green ones. I'm using a size 10 bit. How long that is? Yeah, you can see it really holds the chassis in place. First of all, the problem I'm experiencing with the Xbox S, there's no power. After pushing the power button manually on the front, don't know really what happened. Just the power went out, so I want to get to the power supply and see if I can troubleshoot that to fix the problem. Okay, that's all the green ones out now, so let's see if we can open this thing. Let's see if it's pliable or loose. Somewhat loose. Okay, got all the green ones out I did. Let's see, maybe we can slip it up here a little bit. There's something there. That's good. Damage anything. See, back area here, while the components are, I really want to take it easy back here. Nothing's. I think I had a better chance working on this side. Oh, let's try this. Here we go. There we go. One thing I did was just pull the back plate here a little bit, and that gave some leeway to this. And again, I said I don't want to pull on any of the components. I don't mind putting them on the main frame here. That's okay. Okay, there we go. Very good. Nothing's damaged. Case is still intact. All the pins. We're gonna put that up top here as well. Right. So this is what we're working with here. Okay, so I have to get into the power supply some way. So it looks like this module here off the front has been removed. And there's 4 screws on that one. tin is not going to fit in the smaller size. I guess I can pause the video here so it doesn't take up too much time. So I can locate that. Okay, I found the tool. So let's go ahead and use the size 9 here to take off the smaller screws. Okay, everything looks like it's pretty much a pop disconnect, so just push this up here. There we go. Alright, that just disconnects by just pulling up here. Alright, so we're going to put that module right there. Get that out of the way. Alright, and I can see how they have a lift up. See that? How that pries up right there? Yeah, that was it. Okay, let's just put that up there, shall we? All right, now we have access. Good. Here, look, simply labeled PWR power. All right, so that's what I was looking for. So I'm gonna take that off, that power supply out of here, and that's gonna be what I'll be troubleshooting just to see if I can get this thing working again. Okay, I decided to go a little bit further with you guys, since you know that the component I'm looking for was this power supply. So what I did, I'm just going to show you, try to flip it over here. I just took off the screws here, the black screws, okay, on the outside holding the power supply, these deep screws here. Actually these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that was holding these major components here, such as the hard drive, as well as the power supply. So I took those screws out. Once I took those screws out, I was able to lift up the power supply. Okay, lift the power supply off, move that out the way. Still keeping it intact, you see? Still keeping it intact. I'm not disconnecting anything. And for the power supply unit to come off, you gotta lift off. Okay, you see where the opening is here for the power plug. Just kind of play with that a little bit, and then push it. And then it'll come up when you flip it this way. All right? And now you see the power cable that's connected to the motherboard here. All right? Power cable connected to the motherboard. You just got to pinch the lip right here, that's closest toward the chassis here. Pinch that lip. And then you can take off the power supply. Now, this is the power supply here, y'all. Now, what I did, I already looked online here for the power supply. As you can see there on my computer, I'll move it up a little bit so you can see my screen up there. Okay. The power supply, Xbox One S power supply AC adapter. It's a PA1131-13MX/N15-120 P1A. All right, and it only costs $18.88, $18.88, and that's on eBay. So that's what I'm gonna purchase, y'all. A replacement power supply here on eBay for $18.88, basically $19, and free shipping. So that's it. All right, now y'all have a blessed evening.